Hi, I'm Angela Clark and I'm an APQS educator, and today we're going to talk about loops and variations on loops. To do a loop, you're going to go in and circle around and come out. So if I turn my long arm out, right, you can either alternate your loops or have your loops going all the same direction. You can also alternate your loops and decide you're going to do more than one loop at a time. Or you can decide you're going to double up your loops as you're doing them. And as you practice this one, you can throw other things into it like flowers and leaves and stars. So loop is a great one to learn, and that's all there is to doing a loop.